Hello friends, in this video we learn how to transfer data from iPhone to computer, especially for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So what do we need to do? Go to this app store and try to search Apple device. Click and install it. Wait for finish to installation. Open and agree with all terms and conditions, and this is the interface for this software. So I place the phone on the side. I have an iPhone 16e, so let's try to backup and restore the data. So you need to do all these same things as we do in the iTunes. Trust this device. Put the pin code to trust this device. And here you can see too many options. Backup data to iCloud and backup data to this computer. And at the bottom you can see multiple options. You can go through it. The same like iTunes, but this looks very straightforward, easy method. So all these features you can go through. These are the options, so you can check if you want. Just need to click on backup data and start backing up data. Again, we need to give access to the phone for the data transfer. Time it takes depends on the data stored inside your phone. Yeah, that's completed. So we eject the phone and try to restore the data. So open Apple device again. Connect to your phone and give access. That's the restore iPhone. We're not restoring iPhone, we're just restoring the data. So here you can choose how many times and what time you back up your data. Same procedure here like iTunes. It will reset the iPhone, then it will restore the data. Because in my iPhone it's not too big data, so it won't take long to restore. Yeah, now you can see the message. Restoring done, but some of the process still going on inside the iPhone. So wait for it finish. Yeah, everything done. You can set it up again. Yeah, everything restored. And now there is another option. So you can still have this backup data stored in the laptop, in the computer. Here is another thing. We can update the software for the iPhone as well. So what we need to do, just click on this and start downloading the software. And it asking again access password. In the iPhone I can show you, it's all the photos and everything restored back. Take a process, download the software, then extract the software. Then it takes long time, so I fast forward it. It is taking long time, so I'm fast forwarding, and it's pretty straightforward, same like how we do with the iTunes or 3U tool. So here we are, now phone is updated to the latest version. So if you need to find where the file saved, you can go to here and search Apple, then here's all your backup, you can see there. And that's all for the day. I hope you like the video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel for support. Thank you very much.